The deep yoga squat, or Malasana, offers numerous health benefits. Firstly, it improves flexibility, enhancing flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, making it easier to perform daily activities and other exercises. It also strengthens the lower body, engaging and strengthening the muscles in the thighs, hips, and buttocks. Additionally, Malasana enhances digestion by helping to stimulate the digestive organs, which can aid in better digestion and reduction of bloating. This pose is excellent for promoting hip mobility as it opens up the hip joints, which can alleviate lower back pain and improve overall mobility. Furthermore, it encourages a more upright posture, which can reduce back and neck pain. The balance and stability enhanced by this pose are beneficial for overall coordination and injury prevention. For those suffering from lower back pain, Malasana stretches the lower back and can provide relief from pain and tension in that area. Lastly, for women, it can help in easing childbirth by increasing pelvic flexibility. To begin the deep yoga squat, start by standing with your feet about hip-width apart or slightly wider. Turn your toes out slightly. To descend into the squat, bend your knees and lower your hips towards the floor, keeping your heels on the ground. If your heels lift, consider widening your stance or placing a folded blanket under them for support. For proper alignment, bring your palms together in a prayer position known as Anjali Mudra at your heart center. Press your elbows against the inner knees to help open your hips further. Remember to lengthen your spine, lifting your chest, and keeping your back straight. Hold the pose by keeping your core engaged and breathe deeply. Aim to hold the pose for at least 30 seconds, gradually working up to 2 to 3 minutes as your flexibility improves. To release the pose, place your hands on the floor in front of you and gently lift your hips, straightening your legs to return to a standing position. The deep yoga squat can be performed at any time of the day. However, it might be most beneficial when done in the morning to help wake up your body and prepare for the day, or after a workout as part of a cool-down routine to stretch the muscles worked during exercise, or even in the evening to relax the body and relieve tension before bed. For frequency and duration, integrating the squat into your daily routine can yield the best results. Aim for at least 1 to 3 minutes per session. Performing the squat 2 to 3 times throughout the day can enhance flexibility and strength more quickly. Additionally, use the squat as a stretch whenever you feel tightness in your hips, back, or legs.